A smart folder isn't an actual folder that stores data. Instead, it works like a search filter based on conditions you set. Whenever the data on your Mac changes, any file that matches those search criteria will automatically appear in that smart folder. Now, let's create a smart folder to gather image files using various conditions. First, press the keyboard shortcut Option-Command-Space to open Finder in search mode. Make sure you're searching your entire This Mac rather than just the current folder. On the right side of the window, click the plus icon to create your first filter. For this filter, I'll set Kind to Image and the format to JPG. You'll notice the search results appearing below immediately. Next, I'm going to add another filter. This time, I want to find photos larger than 10 megabytes. Since file size isn't in the default list, I'll click on Other. Search for File Size and check the box to add this attribute to the menu. Then, I'll set the condition to File Size is greater than or equal to 10 megabytes. Finally, I'll add one more condition: date added within this week. Once you're happy with the filters, click the Save button in the top right corner. In the window that appears, give your folder a name, for example, Weekly New Photos. Don't forget to check the Add to Sidebar box so this smart folder appears right in your Finder sidebar for quick access anytime. Now, your smart folder is ready to use. Let's say you download some new photos that match the search criteria you've set. They will automatically appear in that smart folder. If you ever want to edit the search criteria, just click the three-dot icon in the Finder toolbar and select Show Search Criteria. All smart folders are stored in the Save Searches folder, which is located inside your user's library. You can delete them from there if they're no longer needed. Using smart folders will make your macOS workflow much more professional and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.